Welcome to this course. So in this course, I'm going to show you how to install Metapixel for tracking. So this is important. It will help you to track your leads, your sales, and action on your website. But the first thing you need to do is you have to type in this URL on your browser at manager.facebook.com. So afterwards, you would see an interface just like this. And the next thing you would need to do is you would click on Event Manager. So this is Event Manager here. So you click on it and you would see data source, you see connect data, overview, data sets, custom conversion, partner integrations. So you would click on connect data. So afterwards, you can decide, because since we said to connect with your website, so we'll be going for this option. We'll see you can connect app, offline, CRM, messaging. So since I said website, so I'm clicking on website. I'll click on next. I have so many data sets already, so I'm just going to click on create new data set. Then I'm going to name it. So let me name it um, tracking. So I'll click on create. I'll just have to wait for a few seconds. Then after clicking on that, I'm still waiting. So you can see, so but we're going for see other ways to set up. So I'll click on this and I'm going to click on set up with partner integration. Then I click on this and click next. So this is going to show me WordPress and other sites. So WordPress, I'm going to click on WordPress because that's the CRM I'm using. And I'll click on next. And afterwards, I'm just going to wait for a few seconds. And it's going to show me what next to do. So you can see when you go to your WordPress, you go to plugins and you type in Facebook for WordPress. So let's go to my WordPress. So I'll click on logins. I have to type Facebook for WordPress. So after typing that, I would need to install. After installing, I need to activate. Then after activating, I will need to set it up. But let's just follow what Facebook is saying for you guys to understand better. So click on next. So you can see, go to setting and get started. So let's do next, and we have to copy the website here just to test it. Okay. So now let's go back and we type Facebook. Now I'll click on settings and now to click on get started. So then I'll click on continue. Then I'm going to click on next. So you see, I agree to share my token with sites. Confirm. So now you see everything is being set up. So I'll go back to Facebook. So let me go with this URL. Go back to Facebook and I'm going to type in my website URL. Then see, I'm going to click on send traffic. Now you can see, so this is my website. Then I'll go back to Meta. I'm just waiting. You see now it sent me to my website. So this is my website. So I'm just waiting. So the same thing is going to do to you if you have a website. You need to send it to the website. So we'll just be waiting. It's pending. We'll have to wait for some few minutes, a few seconds. So let's just read what it says here. So you see, send text traffic. Again, send me to the website. So let's see. Making sure everything is working. So you can read what is here written here as well. Verify your pixel is working correctly. Verify your pixel is working by sending test traffic to your website. This may take several minutes. If your status doesn't change to active after sending test traffic, check to make sure you follow the previous instruction. do it again. Then now it's showing active. Now just click on next. After clicking on next, I will do the same thing. I'm going to type in my paste my URL again, and I'll click on add event. You see my website is loading. So now you click on what you want Meta to track. So for example, let's say track new button. So which do you want Meta to track? Let's say for example someone type come into your website. Do you want them to Meta to track? Maybe this person clicks on about us, services, contact us, or get free strategy. So let me click on contact us. So this is an event. So click on see. So you have options. You can see contact. So I'm going to click on contact and confirm. You see, I can also add new one, add new button. I can say if someone clicks on get free strategy, I'm going to click on this, or we can check different options. You see, learn more. So let's say get free strategy. What am I going to name that as? I'm going to name that as contact us as well. Contact. See, confirm. So you can also do as much as you want. So you can say you can track the URL as well. So let's say for example someone comes into your website, you can track that as well. So you go there, event. So it depends on you what you want to put that as. So you can say as for example um, view content. So anybody that clicks on this, it will count as view content. You see URL or URL equal or URL contain. So let's leave it as this and say confirm, and we click here finish setup. I'll click on finish. So now anytime someone types in your URL, like my URL, it will count as view content. Anyone someone types at click on contact us, it will be show as contact. Anytime someone clicks on free strategy, it will also count as contact. So they'll click on finish, then you can click yes or no, just submit, or you can skip done. So now I'm going to click on next, and you can click on I'm going to click on finish, or you can go straight to creating your ads. So there's something I need to let you know. This is only important when you have a website. So even if you don't have a website, you can still run ads without doing this. So this video is just to show you how effective it could be when you have a website. You could do this for like retargeting. So let's say for example someone comes into your website from ad, you can retarget those people again. So that's just the basic use of this. So thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.